Grand awakening, Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the NFTs, the music. Great products are over there. Your word of the day. One step at a time, Scorpio. You are the superstar. The world is waiting for you to come out on the stage. What are you building? What is your talent? Because you're naturally oozing with talent and prosperity, and everyone loves your aura because you're very helpful, loving sign. You're grateful. You show a lot of gratitude. You show that in your attitude. That's why everything floods to you. So I want you to continue to take one step at a time, no matter how far you think or you believe you're away from your final destination. I want to let you know that Spirit, God is quickening your pace. They're shortening the journey, but you got to keep on moving forward. Your time is now for greatness. I see the mountain ahead and I dedicate myself to taking one small step at a time. I make the progress by staying focused in the present moment on the current task. Therefore, I regain the ease of living, control, and you're on the path to skyrocket to your stardom. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.